Presentation to physics. Magnetism and electricity. Magnetism. First, magnet is a piece of iron that attracts substance like steel and iron, or other alloys of steel and iron. But it does not attract all substances. There are two types of magnets. There are natural and artificial. The natural magnet, also known as lodestone, or it is known as magnetite, the ore of magnesium. There are different types of artificial magnets like horseshoe, U-shaped, cylinder, bar magnet. Magnetic and magnetic substances. Magnetic substance first. Substances are grouped into two by the properties of their magnetic. The first is magnetic substance. These magnetic substances are substances that attracted by magnets. For example, iron, nickel, and cobalt. The next is non-magnetic substances are substances that cannot be attracted by magnets. We use gold, aluminium, glass, and the basic properties of magnet. Any magnet has the following three properties. The first is a magnet have two poles named north pole and south pole, and a magnet attracts a piece of iron and steel or nickel. The next is no matter what its shape or size may be, two poles always exist in pair. And the other is if we suspend a magnet freely, it comes to rest with its independent north-south direction. And the next is law of magnetism. Law of magnetism states that unlike poles attract each other and like poles repel each other. This means south pole and south pole are repel each other, while south pole and north pole attract each other, and north pole and north pole are repel each other. The next is compass. Compass is a small suspended magnet used to show the geographic northern direction. It is a magnet that used to show geographic northern direction only, and this means the geographic northern direction is found in the Earth's magnetism in south direction, because north direction is attracted by the south direction, and if because of this geographic northern direction is found in the Earth's magnetism south pole. Magnetic line of force are lines of force. Magnetic line of force are imaginary lines, which mean we cannot see it, but which continuously represents the direction of the magnetic field. It only represents the direction of the magnetic field. And in the bar magnet, the magnetic line of force is come from north. It is moved from north to south outside of the magnet, and from south to north inside the magnet. The next is use of magnets. This magnet is used to separate magnetic substance from the mixture of non-metallic substance. This means magnet is one of the methods of separating method of mixture. And the next is for construction of electric bear, radio, TV, and other. The next topic is electricity. Electricity. First we see about electrostatic. We in this title we can see this statics, and static mean at rest, and electrostatic is a branch of electricity. It is a branch of electricity that studies electric charge. It is study of electric charge at rest. In this title I tell you static means at rest. Therefore electrostatic is deal with the branch. It is a branch of electricity that deal with electric charge at rest. The next is electric charge. What is electric charge? Electric charge is an inherent physical properties of a certain subatomic particle. The subatomic particles are known as proton, neutron, and electron. Proton is positively charged, electron negatively charged, and nucleus neutral or zero charge. Proton or neutron are found in the nucleus of the atom, while electron is found in the orbit or the shell of the atom. And there are two types of charge. They are negative and positive charges. I told you negative charge is carried by electron and positive charge carried by proton. And the SI unit of charge is known as coulomb. And the next is method of charging. There are two types of charging a body. The first is charging by rubbing, and the second is charging by conduction. And the other are charging by induction. Also, we see it. Charging by rubbing is when an object is rubbed with each other, electrons are transferred from one to another. This process is called charging by rubbing. This means charging by rubbing is the process in when one charged body is rubbed with uncharged body, and the electron from charged body transferred into neutral body. When the charged body is transferred electron, it become positively charged, and the substance that gain electron is can become negatively charged due to the absence and presence of electron. Charging by conduction or charging by sharing. It is a process of charging a body by touching. When one charged body is touched uncharged body, its charge is transferred from charged body to uncharged body, and this process is known as charging by conduction or charging by sharing. And the last is charging by induction. Charging by induction is the process of charging a body by wave. By wave means the two bodies are never touch each other. The next is law of electrostatic. Law of electrostatic is we can say it is the same as a law of law of magnetism. The change is only this says as jazz, and magnetism says that poles, and this states that like charge repel each other and unlike charge attract each other. This means negative charges repel each other, negative positive attract each other, positive repel each other. The next is electroscope. Electroscope is a device used to study properties of charge. It's a simple device that stimulates us to know the properties of charges. The next is electric current and potential difference. Electric current is the rate of flow of electric charge, and we can see it is the flow of charge per second. And to find electric current, we use the formula I electric charge equal to charge moved by time taken. Electric charge is symbol is I, charge moved Q, and time taken by T. And the SI unit of current is ampere. And let me give you one example. In this one example to you, and my example is, if the current flow per 4 second is 20 coulomb, find the electric current. Then first we use the formula I equal to Q over T. It is equal to the charge Q is 20 coulomb, and the time is 4 seconds. Then it's equal to 5, and its essence is ampere, or it is by stand by 5 capital A. Then I will show from this example, the current is flow per 4 seconds is 20 coulomb, which means 4 seconds. Second is a second of time, then 4 second is time, and 20 coulomb, the essence of charge is coulomb, then 20 is a charge. And we ask the question to find the electric current, find out the electric current. And electric current, I told you, is this formula, this charge over time. Then we use I equal to charge over time. The charge is 20 coulomb, and 20 coulomb over time is 4 second, and electric current equal to charge over time 20 coulomb over 4 second equal to 5 ampere. Next is potential difference. Potential difference is the difference of electric potential between 2 points. It is also the difference of electric potential between 2 points. Electric potential is potential energy over charge. It is a formula of potential energy, and the difference between two units of electric potential make potential difference. And potential difference, it is known as voltage. And sometimes we can say it is an electromotive force. And the source of potential difference or electromotive force or source of voltage are: the first is primary cell. Primary cells is produce electric as a result of chemical. They produce electric as a result of chemical change, and they use one time only. This means if we use primary cell and it is ended, we don't use it again, or it is not chargeable. And example of primary cell is dry cell. The second is secondary cell. Secondary cells are, they can recharge it and use again and again. This means it is chargeable and we use it again and again by charging it. And for example of secondary cell is car battery. Then is electron current. Electron current is the flow of electron from negative terminal to positive terminal of the source. This means electron current is a flow of electron from negative terminal to positive terminal. Then this is electron current is the it is one of the direction of current. The direction of current first, many scientists are shown that conventional current, and conventional current states that the flow of electron from positive terminal to negative terminal, from negative terminal. Thus it is false, and it can be shortcoming of this. And electron current